So now we're about to get into the part of the program where we give, I think it's like two-minute updates, right? From each field. So we have 5 updates. So up first is Guy with Family First Fitness.
Hello, everyone. I am truly happy to be back. I haven't been to the Startup Tech Valley scene in a while now because as a group fitness instructor, I have been teaching group classes on Wednesday evenings, so it's been tough to come by and be a part of the entrepreneurship community here. But happy to share this update with you all. It has been a while, maybe even like a whole year, since I actually presented here at Startup Tech Valley. And at the time when I first presented, the game plan for myself was to reinvest, to basically take my current product, which is essentially an exercise, nutrition, and holistic health and fitness program. If you've seen other competitors on the market, Beachbody programs, the P90X, the Insanities of the world. The plan basically like a year ago when I first presented was to reinvest into a higher scale production that would be more mass market appealing. Since then, I have had a lot of celebratory moments and also some challenges. Celebratory in the fact that, but bittersweet at the same time, in that I was able to get some very exciting conversations with some very interesting and very well-respected people. I was offered a solidified spot on the actual show Shark Tank that I actually declined, hence why you didn't see me on Shark Tank, for various reasons. I didn't feel as though I was ready. I thought that being exposed to all those millions of people on that show was something that would have been potentially worthwhile. You know, if I was able to go in there and pitch the Sharks and convince the Sharks on me as a person and as an entrepreneur, then sure, that would have been great. But I didn't feel as though my business and my product was ready. And there have been other, again, sort of bittersweet celebratory moments as well. But where I am now is that I believe that the most intelligent thing for me to do to take my business to the next level is to not invest the heavy sum of money in the realm of $500,000 to $2 million to take my product to what it would be to, I guess, be infomercial, Shark Tank, whatever you would think, nationwide. I think that there's sort of a not tier 3, but a tier 2 level video production quality and product value that I want to reinvest in and put forth. And the challenge that I've been having, because I do have investors on board, thank you for that, but the major challenge that I've been having is the manufacturing side of things. So you see programs out there that require no exercise equipment at all, just you and your body is your gym. The targeted audience that I have is families, and particularly the obese population. And so that being said, my program does utilize a particular piece of equipment in the form of steps. If you know, like the Jane Fonda boxes, similar like step aerobics, my program is very similar in that regard. And my biggest challenge has been the manufacturing of those steps themselves. And the end goal, the sort of final destination, is injection molded plastic, more than likely out of Asia, hopefully domestically if I can still make the right price point. But again, that's the long-term solution. Sort of the mid-term solution, I need to explore potentially options out of wood, or if there are domestic plastic companies that I can work with, that the tooling costs and the molding costs won't be too expensive, where I can still meet my price point. So I will be hanging in the wing, and if people are versed in the realm of manufacturing and can offer some pointers or guidance, I would really appreciate that. Thank you.